Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on this super smart looking Hornby Class 67. John installed a Zimo MX645R sound decoder loaded with our ZS67 active drive speed lock sound file for Zimo decoders, an OWL Sound 40x20x7D twin speaker, and a 87007 Lays DCC stair live. This is one of our premium sound projects, so it features braking on F2 and speed lock on F7, as well as a whole host of other fantastic features. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it interesting. If you are interested in getting the Class 67 sound file and sound bundle, I've put a link in the description below. And if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting sound or non-sound decoders installed in your locomotives, please get in touch with our workshop team, either by email johng@digitrains.co.uk or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.